So what is the phone number of Snapchat's official support? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can find out the official Snapchat phone number of their support, of their customer ID, and that's how you can contact them in that way. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if I go ahead and open up Snapchat, you want to tap on the Bitmoji profile from the top left, tap on the gear icon from the top right, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then go to the option called I need help. And when you go to the option called I need help, you'll see these options over here. You might need to scroll down and then look for the option called contact us. Just tap on it. Now when you tap on contact us, you can see Snapchat has not actually leaked their phone number. You have to understand that Snapchat is actually a multi-billion-dollar business, and that it actually has billions of users around the world, and they would simply not be able to amend to each and every business just via their phone call. However, they do have their customer support care, which will hopefully get back to you if you actually submit a proper request. So over here you can see what can we help you with. You can just go ahead and select any of the option over here, and in case you need what help and what feature it is related to, just select any of these options, and right over here you'll be able to see all these options as well. And now it asks you to submit a request, and right over here it says still need help. Just tap on the yes option over here, and all you need to do is just fill out this form right over here. You will not be able to directly go ahead and then call Snapchat support and then say this happened to my account, that happened to my account. No, it is not a business that sells products. It is a business that actually connects you all, and it is actually a social media application, so you have to keep that in mind. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.